Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is an amazing sweet potato pudding. So these are all the ingredients for this recipe, and as always the full list will be listed in the description, so make sure you check that out. When you go out to buy the sweet potato, make sure you look for the red skin one, or the one that when you cut into it it's white, not the American orange sweet potato, okay? Not that one. Make sure you look for this one. So right here I have a piece of ginger, and I'm only going to use half of it. So I'm going to peel it and then give it another rinse along with the sweet potatoes, and I'm going to grater them. So now I'm going to grate the sweet potato and the ginger. This is the side of the grater that I'm going to use. It's a bit time consuming, so if you have a food processor, go right ahead. I've tried both ways and the pudding turns out fine. So once you're done grating the sweet potato, it should look something like this. So because I like when my pudding have that little wet on top, or the custard, I'm going to save some of this coconut milk mixture, and then once my pudding is almost done, I'm going to pour it on top and then let it bake for another few more minutes. So I know a lot of people add raisins to their pudding. However, as a child and even now as an adult, I'm not a fan of raisins. So if you want to add raisins, you can add it at this point. So now it's time to bake the pudding, and this is the pan I'm going to use. Please make sure to grease your pan properly. I'm going in with some coconut oil. You can choose any oil of choice. So grease it properly so that when the pudding is baked, it doesn't stick to the baking pan, and you can at least cut decent slices. So right here I'm showing the consistency of the batter, and this is what you want to achieve. So 1 hour later, I'm going to add that leftover coconut mixture on top. Now this is completely optional, as not everybody likes their pudding top to be wet or have that custard. So once you have poured that coconut mixture on top, you're going to place the pudding back in the oven to bake for an additional 30 minutes. So sweet potato pudding is finished, so I'm going to let this cool before I cut a slice. Now I baked this pudding last night, so I did not cut a slice until the following morning. So the following morning, and as I mentioned before, I baked this pudding last night. So the same day this video is gonna drop is the next morning. So I'm going to cut a slice and let you guys see what I'm working with. This looks amazing, and I would have gotten a thicker custard on top if my coconut milk was creamier, but that's okay. Sweet potato pudding is up and ready for my mouth. This tastes amazing. Thank you all so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share this recipe, but most importantly, try this recipe. And stay tuned for some more amazing, delicious recipes.